Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. So in this video I will be baking a chocolate cake topped with Maltesers. So I'll start by putting 1 cup of soft butter, then I'll add to it 1 1/8 cup of sugar. I will mix those two ingredients very well. After that, I have 4 eggs and I will be adding one by one. After I am done incorporating all of the 4 eggs, I will add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then add to the mixture 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and the last ingredient will be 1 cup of flour. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. To top my cake, I used Maltesers spread, but you're free to use any other chocolate spread you want. I hope you liked the recipe and thank you for watching.